Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Again, we're doing an update on Coinbase. It IPO last week, on the 14th. So here we go. We have some chart. We have some type of structure here. So, here we go. I'm gonna go here to I stay here to 30-minute chart. So we know exactly what happened. We know the open happened. Remember that it made a high. Came and made a low here before previous. Now that's the previous low, and now we have a new low. Now what I forecasted the first time, when the first initially IPO, that this thing was going to continue to range, and it did. We know the bears was running the show, so it continued to range. It stayed within the range, got lower, broke the previous low right here. So that was a test. That was a test to try to get lower, roll back up. Came down and broke again, and it continued to break down and made it another low. So we know the bears are still running the show here. That's exactly what happened. So it's exactly what I said. It's going to range and try to make a new low, and that's what we stand at today. So let's see here. Alrighty, so I'm expecting this thing to move a little bit more lower and possibly range a little bit more till we get some more crypto news, anything that goes on with crypto and Coinbase. Try to launch anything new or get better at their product. They're gonna do something to try to cause the change in price. So everybody that's trying to get in is just giving you guys people that wants to go long an opportunity to get in at a low price. So this is your opportunity. It's gonna probably stay this little channel below 344.78 for a while. We're not sure how long it's gonna go before it decides to break out. Everything is brand new, so you just gotta kind of see what kind of structures it's going to form and how this thing is going to really play out, or when it's going to make it back to the open price, or if it's going to continue to consolidate for a while. You never know these things because this is a stock, this is equity. So I know for sure it's going to run a little lower, some more, or it may stay in this range, then run lower. Then it's going to try to rebound at some point and probably make it back up in between these trading areas here. So that's the Coinbase update, guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.